When you're planning a birthday party, the last thing you want is to realize you're missing plates, cups, or utensils. That's why I really liked how complete this race car party supply kit is. I used it for an actual birthday party, so I was able to see how everything held up throughout lunch, dessert, and all the excitement in between. One thing I appreciated right away was that the set includes just about everything you need, from plates and napkins to cups, utensils, straws, a tablecloth, and even a banner. I think this is a good complete kit that simplifies party planning because you're not having to buy everything separately. The dinner plates were sturdier than I expected. I served both fruit and pasta salad, subs, and cake during the party, and they held up really well without bending or feeling flimsy, and even when guests had fuller plates, they stayed sturdy enough to comfortably carry around. The utensils also impressed me. Sometimes disposable cutlery struggles with heavier food, but these lasted all the way through lunch and dessert without needing to be replaced. I would recommend assembling the banner ahead of time. We ended up not using it because it took a little longer to put together than we expected. If you're planning a race car birthday, I think this kit makes decorating so much easier. The coordinated set helped everything come together, and cleanup afterward was quick and simple.